In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze keyword performance in Google Ads. We're going to go through a step-by-step process that will help you gain valuable insights into how your keywords are performing, which in turn can help you optimize your advertising campaigns for better results. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google Ads. This is where all the magic happens, as Google Ads is your primary tool for managing online advertising and reaching potential customers. Once you're on the homepage, you need to click on the Sign In button. Make sure you have your account credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. From here, to access the campaign section, locate the menu and click on Campaigns. This area provides an overview of all your active and past campaigns, and it's where you'll start your journey to analyzing keyword performance. After clicking on campaigns, the next step is to move to the Insights and Reports section. This section is your gateway to uncovering detailed information about how different elements of your advertising campaigns are performing. It includes tools and data that provide a deeper understanding of your ads, audiences, and of course keywords. From the Insights and Reports, you'll want to navigate to the Report Editor. This is a powerful tool that allows you to create and customize reports to analyze performance metrics that matter most to you. Spending some time getting familiar with this section can help in creating reports that are tailored specifically to your needs. Now, within the report editor, find the option named Search Keywords. Clicking on this will direct you to a page where you can dive into the specifics of your keyword performance. Here you'll have access to crucial data such as impressions, clicks, click-through rates, and conversion rates. These metrics are essential for understanding how effectively your keywords are reaching and engaging your target audience. Analyzing the data presented under search keywords will give you insights into which keywords are driving the most traffic and which ones may need some adjustments. You can identify trends, pinpoint successful strategies, and decide where to allocate more resources or make changes. To wrap it up, regularly revisiting and analyzing your keyword performance in Google Ads can significantly impact the success of your marketing efforts. By following these steps, you can ensure you're making the most informed decisions to optimize your campaigns. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on effectively managing your Google Ads.